So how do we actually fix our Bluetooth speakers that they have low volume? So this is how I was able to fix it. So firstly, I'm just going to put them into pairing mode here real quick. So I'm just going to keep holding this one. And now when they're in pairing mode, I'm just going to connect them, for example, to my PC here, just to demonstrate how I was able to fix it. It doesn't have to be connected to your PC, by the way, but I'm just going to connect it here real quick here now. Just going to click on show all devices, and here it is. So I'm just going to connect it. Sometimes it does help to reconnect them, by the way, so if you want to, you can also try to just reconnect them to the device that you want to be able to use them on. So now if the volume is low, then what you have to do is to find the plus and minus button or something like that. So for me it's the plus button, and if I click and hold, you can probably see here, now the volume will increase. If you click on the minus button, click and hold, the volume will now go down instead. So most likely you will need to just find this combination here, click on the plus button to be able to increase the volume until you find, what suits you the best. And that is how I was able to fix it myself.